How does a country fire its leader when the incompetence, greed, or just plain stupidity finally reaches the breaking point? In the United Kingdom, they do it civilly with a vote of no confidence. In South America, they use the coup method. You know, generals walk into the president's office, pull guns, and escort him out. But in our country, we try to grin and bear it. If the incompetent president has minions who control the Senate and House, we simply wait 2 years until the opportunity to impeach arises. A lot of damage can be done while we wait. Think of Hoover and how we had to wait for his term to end before FDR could take over and bring us out of the Great Depression. Between now and the next election, so much damage can and is being done. Prices are going up, stocks are going down, thousands are and will be losing their jobs. Air travel is getting dangerous, healthcare is suffering, law enforcement is being decimated, our military is being decapitated. Do we really have to grin and bear it? Can't you see the lives that will be lost or destroyed if we wait? Fortunately, we don't have to wait. We can demand enforcement of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, but it has to be a massive demand. And when you make that demand, you have to believe with the same sincerity you have when you rush a loved one to the emergency room that the one you turn to will do the right thing. District court judges are Americans too. They see the senseless things that Trump has done. They witnessed Trump pretending to read an invitation from King Charles and then handing it to Prime Minister Starmer requesting he read it out loud so Trump could find out what it said. They heard Trump trying to extort protection money from Zelensky by demanding raw earth, when the correct term is rare earth. These judges know Trump is condemning thousands of freedom-loving Ukrainians to death for the petty reason of not groveling. I say this because now is the time to file federal suits demanding enforcement of the 14th Amendment. Now is the time for the judges to declare the last election invalid. Now is the time to appoint a qualified, willing conservator to assume Trump's office until appeals are exhausted. Now is the time to rule the true winner of the last election is Kamala Harris. If emergency motions are filed requesting Trump's immediate removal, with the judges, and I mean multiple judges' decision removing Trump from office, all loyal, honest occupants of the military and the Justice Department, those who have taken an oath to obey the Constitution, of which the 14th Amendment is a part, will obey, and Trump could be removed in days. The power of these judges is inherent, and they should be told so. Now is also the time for all great lawyers, eloquent and fearless, to come to the aid of our country. Now is the time for those lawyers to secure their place in history and persuade all 600 federal judges and all appellate judges and Supreme Court judges to the wisdom of this course of action. Lest we are forced to endure this madness for 2 years, this is the only legal course to take.